Alright, today we're going to talk about multiplying and dividing rational numbers. A rational number is a number that can be made by dividing two integers. Rational number is a number that can be made by dividing two integers. Un número racional es un número que puede ser dividido por dos números enteros, two integers. Examples. I have 1 over 2 is a rational. 0.5 is a rational. The number 5 is a rational. Negative 6.6 is a rational. Negative 3 over 4 is a rational. These are all rational numbers, números racionales. They are fractions, son fracciones, decimals, decimales, and whole numbers, números enteros. They are also positive and negative. También son positivos y negativos. They are positive and negative. Los números racionales son positivos y negativos, fracciones decimales y números enteros. Easy, easy, easy. Now let's multiply. Let's multiply fractions. I have negative 1 over 2 times 3 over 4. Remember, when we multiply positive and negative, we have same symbol. El mismo símbolo me da que positive. And different symbols, diferentes símbolos, I get negative. So here, this is negative, and this is positive. Are they the same or different? Aquí tengo negativo y positivo. ¿Son iguales o diferentes? They are different, so my answer is negative. And now I just multiply. Remember, when we multiply fractions, top times top. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. My answer is negative 3 over 8. Negativo 3 sobre 8. Cuando multiplicamos fracciones, es arriba con arriba y abajo con abajo. Let's do another example. I have negative 3 over 5 times negative 2 over 4. So I have negative times negative. Remember, same symbols, mismos símbolos. They are positive, so this is positive. And now just multiply top times top. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 4, 5 por 4 is 20. Positive 6 over 20. Remember to simplify. Vamos a simplificar. I divide by 2. This is 3 over 10. Positive 3 over 10. Let's multiply decimals. Negative 3.5 times 2.1. Here I have negative and I have positive. Are they the same or different? Aquí son iguales o diferentes? These are different, so my answer is negative. And let's multiply the numbers. 3.5 times 2.1. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 por 5, 5. 1 por 3 is 3. Remember, leave a space. Dejen un espacio o un cero. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 por 5 es 10. El 0 se baja y aquí sumo 1. 3 times 2, 3 por 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Sume es 3 por 2 is 6, sumo 1, 7. I add, sumo, 5, 3, 7. Now, how many are behind the decimal? ¿Cuántos hay detrás del decimal? I have 1, 2. Here's my point. I move 2 times to the left. Me muevo 2 veces a la izquierda. 1, 2. My answer is negative 7.35. So my answer is negative 7.35. Mi respuesta es negativo 7.35. Let's do another example. I have negative 3.78 times negative 5.6. Let's do the symbols first. Vamos a hacer los símbolos primero. I have negative times negative. Are they the same or different? ¿Son iguales o diferentes? They are the same. If they are the same, si son iguales, the same, my answer is what? Positive. So negative times negative is positive. And now let's multiply. Remember, the number with more numbers goes on top. El número que tiene más números va arriba. Do not line up the points. No alineen los puntos. 8 times 6, 48. 7 times 6, 42. Plus 4 is 46. 8 por 6, 48. Bajo el 8, sube el 4. 7 por 6, 42 más 4 is 46. And 3 times 6 is 18, plus 4 is 22. Leave a space, un espacio. 5 times 8 is 40. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 4 is 39. 3 times 5, 15, plus 3 is 18, is 18. Lo sumo, 8, 6. 2 plus 9 is 11. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Here's 2. Now, how many are behind the decimal? ¿Cuántos hay detrás del decimal? I have 1, 2, 3. I have my point. 1, 2, and 3. So my answer is 21.168. Positive. Now let's divide fractions. Negative 1 over 2 times 2 over 3. Divided by. Sorry. Negative 1 over 2 divided by 2 over 3. Remember, K, C, F. K, C, F. K means the first fraction stays the same. La primera fracción se queda igual. What is my first fraction? Negative 1 over 2. Remember, C is change. Vamos a cambiar from division to multiply. So division to multiply. Vamos a cambiar de división a multiplicación. And F means flip. ¿Qué significa flip? Vamos a voltear. We're going to flip the second fraction. Vamos a voltear la segunda fracción. So 2 over 3 is now 3 over 2. And we just multiply. Do the signs first. Hagan los signos primero. This is negative. This is positive. Negative times positive, they are different, so my answer is negative. Son diferentes. And then just multiply the top. 1 times 3, 1 por 3 is 3. 2 times 2, 2 por 2 is 4. Negative 3 over 4. Very, very easy. Let's divide decimals. Dividir decimales. Negative 3.2 divided by negative 0.2. Do the symbols first. Hagan los símbolos primero. Negative divided by negative. So are they the same or different? They are the same, so my answer is positive. And now let's divide. The number on the left, el número a la izquierda goes inside, va adentro, so 3.2 goes inside and 0.2 goes outside. Remember, move the point of the outside, mueven el punto de afuera all the way to the right, hasta la derecha. So I'll move 1 time. Do the same to the inside, hagan lo mismo adentro. 1 time. Write your numbers again. This is now 2 and this is 32. 2 into 3 is 1 time. Bring down the 2, bajen el 2. 2 into 12 is 6. Minus 12. My answer is positive 16. This is how you divide decimals. And these are rational numbers. Todo esto es rational numbers.